I'm closing in the top. I was able to put one more 4-foot piece on by 2 feet, and I had to cut the top corners to get it to fit. And then I had these 2 pieces from when I had taken apart the door in Lewistown, which we decided to abandon the original garage door. And I had those 2 pieces just set aside, 2 triangles. It started raining, but now it's kind of quit right now. And I also tapered down this right here and cut a wedge there so I could transition into the corner. Now I'm debating on, I think what I'm going to do is take this salvaged piece here that's pretty dirty, but it'll clean up, and try cutting it to see if I can get it to work in there nice with a couple screws to cap that off. And then we have a couple pieces of slate to put on, and we'll be complete. But for right now, I'm going to focus on trimming this up, seeing if I can get it to fit there nice, and then put a couple screws in to hold everything. If it continues to rain, I'll probably just wait for another day to come back and do this, and then at that point I can start scraping and caulking and maybe, get like 6 feet of this prepared and primed. It's kind of late in the year, but it'd be nice to have a little bit more done since we're up here. Okay, let's get this capped. You can see when it started raining, it was coming at an angle, so it missed this part anyways, and it wasn't much. I got a little bit wet, the phone got a little wet, but other than that, most of the storms do come from the west, which means this is a protected area.